Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, specifically designed for those who need high-quality, large-format printing. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340, a 36-inch large-format 5-color poster and plotter printer that's packed with innovative features to make your printing experience a breeze. From vibrant posters to precise technical drawings, this printer is capable of delivering it all with its remarkable 5-color pigment ink system. One of the standout features of the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 is its ability to produce crisp text, sharp lines, and vibrant images on a wide variety of media types. This is all thanks to its 5-color pigment ink printer, which delivers attention-grabbing posters that are sure to make an impact. Whether you're an architect looking to print detailed blueprints, a graphic designer creating eye-catching advertisements, or an artist seeking to bring your vision to life, the TM-340 has the capability to meet your needs with its diverse range of color options and high-resolution printing. The inclusion of 300 milliliters of ink, with 55 milliliters for each of the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow colors, and 80 milliliters for the matte black, ensures that you have ample supply to get started on your projects right away. Another feature that truly sets the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 apart is its automatic media selection capability. This feature makes operating the printer incredibly simple and easy, even for those who are new to large format printing. Once you load the media, the TM-340 can determine the media type, width, and remaining length automatically, requiring minimal user intervention. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the risk of errors that could waste your valuable printing materials. The ease of use continues with the printer's intuitive tiltable touchscreen control panel and animated installation guides, which provide quick and easy setup and maintenance instructions. This means you can spend more time focusing on your creative projects and less time figuring out how to use your printer. The Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 also boasts automatic color calibration, a feature that ensures your prints look consistent and vibrant every time. This is particularly important for professionals who require precise color accuracy for their work. With the TM-340, you can trust that your prints will match your digital designs closely, saving you the hassle and expense of reprints due to color discrepancies. Additionally, the printer's ability to handle a wide range of media types, from plain paper to more specialized materials, gives you the flexibility to experiment with different textures and effects, further enhancing your creative possibilities. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 is an exceptional large-format printer that offers a combination of high-quality printing, ease of use, and versatile media handling. Its 5-color pigment ink system, automatic media selection, and automatic color calibration make it an ideal choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. With its intuitive setup and maintenance, you can dive right into your projects without getting bogged down in technical complexities. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-performance large-format printer, I highly recommend checking out the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this incredible piece of technology.